In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to onboard employees to QuickBooks Time step by step using the browser interface. Let's get started right from your desktop. Open your preferred browser and log into QuickBooks Time. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and select My Team. This is your central hub for managing everyone on your account. From here, click Add Team Member to begin adding someone new. You'll see several ways to bring people into your team. Share QR code is perfect if the employee is with you. Display the QR code on your screen and have them scan it with their device to join quickly without typing details. Import from software lets you pull in employees from connected software you already use, which helps avoid re-entering information and keeps things consistent. Merge team member is helpful if you notice duplicates. Use it to combine profiles so time history and permissions stay clean and accurate in one place. If you choose Add manually, you'll enter the employee's first name, last name, and email, then set their role. Worker is for team members who track time only. Manager can oversee certain people or projects, and admin has full access to settings and reports. Choose the least privileged role that fits their responsibilities. Next, assign time tracking access if the person will clock in or submit timesheets. You can also optionally assign them to specific customers, projects, or groups to keep reporting organized and ensure they only see what they need. When everything looks good, click Save to create the profile. If you prefer Send Invitation, type the employee's email address and click Send Invitation. They'll receive an email prompting them to create their QuickBooks Time account and log in. This is a great option if you want them to complete their own setup and password creation securely. After the team member is added, give them a quick tour so they feel confident using the system. Show them the time clock to clock in at the start of a shift and clock out at the end. Walk through time entries so they can submit time for specific days or make corrections as needed, following your company's approval process. Finally, review the schedule so they can see upcoming shifts or assignments and plan their work accordingly. A short walkthrough now helps reduce errors and support requests later. That's it for onboarding employees in the browser. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.